In this video, I'm going to show you how to add other costs into the appraisal or feasibility. So we work on the idea of cost groups. So you can add as many cost groups as you want, and within a cost group, you can have as many costs as you want. So this is very flexible. So we've created a cost group here for professional fees, for example, where we've got the architect, engineer, and a quantity surveyor. For each of these costs, we can set them as a percentage of the build cost, a percentage of the gross development value, or an amount in your currency. So for example, if my architect was 1% of my GDV, I can put 1% in and you'll see that figure automatically generate there on the right-hand side. When we create a template, this allows us to automatically populate all of the other costs whenever the build cost or the GDV have been generated. So, for example, in your template, you may want to have 20 or 30 other costs that you always work with. Even if they're not being used on this specific project, it's great to have them in there as a prompt because you don't want to be missing anything out. So what you can do is add them all into your template, and then from there, you'll be able to manipulate or change those numbers on a deal-by-deal basis, but at least you've got them in there. So now let's just add a second group. Let's just say marketing costs. Here, we're going to add a show unit. Let's just say it's going to cost us 50 grand to furnish. We're going to add a brochure design, and we're going to add a marketing budget, advertising. And we're also going to add a website, which is going to cost us 10,000. So now you've seen how easy it is to quickly add in a cost group and the cost within that group. As I said, everything is fully editable and fully customizable to allow you to build out your other costs to suit your way of working.